Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make grapes out of felt. So here I have a small purple felt circle, a needle and thread. You can use purple thread or you can use invisible thread like this, a little bit of cotton, and I have a few here that I made in advance to show you, and a hot glue gun. So what you're going to do is take your cotton. You don't need a whole lot. You just want to rip off a little bit. Roll it between your hands like a meatball. Place it in the center of the circle. Pinch it together like a taco. Take your needle and thread and start at the top. Do a couple of stitches this way to get it going, and then you're going to cross the other way to gather it up together, which I'll show you in a moment. Now you're going to go across this way, gathering up the felt. You want to pull securely, but not too hard because you don't want it to rip. Sometimes the thread kind of gets tangled on itself a little bit. You just pull it back and start over. There you go. So now you have it kind of like this. And you just keep going across from one side of the felt to the other, gathering it up. It doesn't have to look exact, and I'll show you why in a moment. Just keep doing it like that till you get a little ball like this. The puckered side on the back will be obscured. So don't worry about that. You just want to get it as gathered together as you can. Once you have it puckered together, just go ahead and knot it a few times by making a loop and putting your needle through the thread and pulling it. Once you have that secure, you can just go ahead and rip or cut the thread off. Now what you're going to do with the hot glue is you're going to put a little bit of hot glue on the side and glue the grapes together with the gathered parts on the back, and depending on how big of a bunch of grapes you want to make, you can make that many grapes and just continue to glue them together like that. And if you want, you can even make a little leaf out of green felt on top, and there you have a bunch of grapes out of felt. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.